Little Critter, Just a Tugboat by Mercer Mayer. Hi, my name is Werner. I have been reading hundreds of books for you. Please subscribe to get them all. And watch until the end, where a surprise is waiting for you. Ask your mom to help you with that. Thank you. We like to play with boats. When I get bigger, I'm going to be a tugboat captain. Smoke puffs out of the tugboat smokestack. Puff, puff. Then I sail my tugboat out of the harbor, all the way to the ocean. I see a big ship that needs help getting to the harbor. I blow my whistle. Toot, toot. Everyone on board the ship waves at me. Then I tug and pull and push that big ship all the way into the harbor. Smoke blows out of the tugboat smokestack. Puff, puff. Everyone cheers as they get off the big boat. Next, I pull a big tanker out of the harbor. I blow my whistle. Toot, toot. I pull the tanker all the way to the ocean. Then I wave as the big tanker sails away. Puff, puff goes my smokestack. Toot, toot goes my whistle as I sail my tugboat back to the harbor to pull the next big ship on its way. It is fun to play with boats. Splash, splash, toot, toot, puff, puff. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Enjoy my new series Oliver and Jumpy. 19 video books with about 500 pictures. There is text, but I also read it aloud for the younger children. I have written 65 stories and had them illustrated at great cost for your children's fun. Oliver is an elegant tomcat and Jumpy is his lady friend. Oliver loves to ride in Jumpy's pouch when they go for adventures together. Please find a link to the first book in the description of this video. Please always subscribe and like if you find my effort interesting. Thank you so much.